Welcome back to improve your English at work.
Welcome back to improve your English at work.
First day at work. I'm here for my first day.
I'm here for my first day.
My name is Awa.
My name is Awa.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for welcoming me.
Thank you for welcoming me.
Where should I go?
Where should I go?
Is this my desk?
Is this my desk?
I'm excited to start.
I'm excited to start.
I'll do my best.
I'll do my best.
Can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
What time is lunch?
What time is lunch?
Who is my manager?
Who is my manager?
I'm ready to learn.
I'm ready to learn.
I brought my notebook.
I brought my notebook.
I like this office.
I like this office.
The team seems kind.
The team seems kind.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm a little nervous.
But I feel welcome.
But I feel welcome.
Let's begin the day.
Let's begin the day.
Thank you again.
Thank you again.
Meeting colleague. Hello, I'm new here.
Hello, I'm new here.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Omar.
Nice to meet you, Omar.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I work in marketing.
I work in marketing.
I love creative work.
I love creative work.
Do you like your job?
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
Yes, it's interesting.
Let's have coffee later.
Let's have coffee later.
Sure, I'd like that.
Sure, I'd like that.
Where's the break room?
Where's the break room?
It's down the hall.
It's down the hall.
I'll join you at noon.
I'll join you at noon.
Thanks for helping me.
Thanks for helping me.
You're very kind.
You're very kind.
I feel more relaxed now.
I feel more relaxed now.
This place feels good.
This place feels good.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here.
Let's work well together.
Let's work well together.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Starting work. I'll check my email.
I'll check my email.
I have a meeting at 10.
I have a meeting at 10.
Let me write that down.
Let me write that down.
I need to focus.
I need to focus.
This task looks easy.
This task looks easy.
I'll finish it soon.
I'll finish it soon.
Can I ask for help?
Can I ask for help?
Yes, I'm here for you.
Yes, I'm here for you.
Thank you, that's clear.
Thank you. That's clear.
I'll send the report.
I'll send the report.
I'll join the team call.
I'll join the team call.
My internet is working.
My internet is working.
I'll take notes now.
I'll take notes now.
I understand the goal.
I understand the goal.
Let's meet the deadline.
Let's meet the deadline.
I'll stay organized.
I'll stay organized.
I'm learning fast.
I'm learning fast.
I enjoy this work.
I enjoy this work.
I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of myself.
Day 1 complete.
Day 1 complete.